In this video, we're going to go through how to install the height increase kit as well as the height decrease kit. So before you get started, you're going to need a couple of tools. Firstly, grab a Phillips head screwdriver or an electric screw gun if you've got one. Of course, if you're using the electronic screw gun, just make sure you turn down the torque settings. You will also need a number 17 spanner, so grab this and we're going to get started. So what we recommend doing first is tipping the chair forward on its nose so that what we can do is get access to the castors. Okay, so now we have the chair tipped forward on its nose. What we recommend doing when you're installing the 1-inch or the 2-inch height kit is just raise the chair up a little bit, pushing the up button just so that the base frame pushes out. So what we're going to do first is we're going to install the longer legs first. So at the back of the chair there is the pre-drilled hole on either side. So what we do here is we fit that on and we do up the nut there. And then we continue the process for the other side as well. So when we are increasing the height of the chair, we do lose the use of the castors, but we don't actually need to take the castors off. So again, at the front, what we're going to do now, there's a pre-drilled hole and the shorter legs go at the front of the chair. So once we have the feet installed, then all we need to do there is just tighten up the bolts to lock them securely in place. So here you can see we have the 1-inch height adjustment kit installed. So with a 2-inch height kit that we do have available as well, again the longer legs go on the outside at the back and the shorter legs go at the front, exactly the same way. So one of the things when we are increasing the height of the chair using the height kit, what we need to remember is that the leg rest is becoming shorter. So as a rule of thumb, when we're using the 1-inch height kit or the 2-inch height kit, what we can do here is we can extend the leg rest and we can get access to the foot plate here and extend it down by 1 inch or by 2-inch. So rule of thumb, using a 1-inch height kit extended by 1 inch, using a 2-inch height kit extended by 2 inches. That way you'll have the heel always just offloaded.